Hi, welcome to the Fab Lab. We are the university's makerspace located in Vodi 242. We use a bunch of different rapid prototyping techniques and fabrication techniques. Our open hours and our office hours are listed online on our website. Our first printer in the lab is our Form Labs, which is a stereolithographic printer, meaning it prints with a laser through a bath of resin to get really high resolution prints. Our next two printers are our U-print and Dimension printers, which can print in ABS plastic and PLA plastic. PLA plastic is actually compostable, so you can bring old pieces back to us and we can compost them for you. The U-print and the Dimension print in soluble supports, which allows you to print pieces with negative spaces, and the supports dissolve once we put them in the bath. Our next 3D printers are our two Ultimaker 3D printers. They have the biggest build plates out of all of our 3D printers, so you get really high variability in the structure and function of your pieces. Our newest printers are our two MakerBot Sketch 3D printers. They're our smallest printers and they're incredibly quick and precise, so if you need a piece right off the printer to work with right away, the MakerBot Sketches are the way to go. Welcome to our laser room. Our laser is our most versatile machine and can cut straight through your material or even engrave. The materials we use in the laser room are acrylic, wood, and cardboard. So a lot of the objects that you think you can make in only 3D can actually be made in 2D, and you just put your pieces together like one of these objects. In addition to doing all of our other cool features, our laser can actually make solid wood flexible. If you're interested in submitting a project, all of our instructions for submitting a ticket are on our website. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out and stop by. We'd love to speak with you.